Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Downey. We just kind of wanted to go over our first virtual Wednesday schedule, which this week will be September 16th. We will have a paper. This paper that I'm showing you will be in your Tuesday computer bag. The computer bag you'll bring home each Tuesday that will have your Chromebook in it. We will put this in there so that you will know exactly what you do for that Wednesday. We sometimes will be doing Google Meets, and we will sometimes be doing Seesaw activities. We will put this on this paper so that it's easy for families to see. Please know that we understand that this is something new, and we certainly will be patient with you as you work through it on September 16th. No stress needs to be involved with it. If you struggle with something, please send us a message on Seesaw, and we will be happy to get back to you. Just to let you know, all of our friends are used to the Seesaw activities. We've been doing a lot of them in the classroom to get them familiar with them before they had to do them this Wednesday. But again, if there's something that they're struggling with, please know that we know that and it's okay. We can work through that with them when they come back to school. Please only do the activities that are scheduled for September 16th. So each Wednesday, we will send this home to you and we will have an SEL lesson time. This will always be a Google Meet, so this will be live. Mrs. Downey and Mrs. Mann's code is Downey Mann. Mrs. Wood has her own, and Miss Cantleberry has her own. So please look on the paper that they have provided and put in your computer bags as well. And this is a time to work on the skills, just some problem-solving skills that will help your children be successful learners in the classroom. And then we will have ELA lesson time. It might be a Google Meet. And if it's a Google Meet, you need to do a different code than you did up here. This is an individual classroom Google Meet. And this is second grade Google Meet code. And we did that because we are working together as a second grade team to do all of our virtual lessons. So our code will be second. So if we are live and we'd like you to get on Google Meet, it will be second. If it's a Seesaw activity, we will write down right here what the Seesaw activity is. Same thing for math. It's second again because we're working on these all together. And if it's a Seesaw activity for that day, we will have it here. And of course, it will be labeled September 16th for this week. The students, other than this, we would like them to read at least 15 minutes a day. And it would be wonderful if they could read to someone, and whoever that is they're reading to, it would be great if they could ask them questions and they could answer them in complete sentences. The only other thing that we'd like to share with you is that there's a Seesaw activity for physical education that the children need to do as well, that Mr. Uvino and Mrs. Voss will be checking. Thank you so much for all of your help on this virtual Wednesday. We hope that it goes well. This is the schedule that we're going to follow for a while. It may change a little bit, but we will let you know. But just know this will come home on Tuesday night in the computer bag. All of the children will be provided their own bag with their Chromebook in it. This will be in there, and hopefully this will make it easier for you. If there's something that you feel we could do to make this process easier, please feel free to reach out on Seesaw. We are trying to make this a really successful